So hey guys, so this is a cardboard Samsung Galaxy RL26 Ultra. It's a flip phone, a flippable phone that has two screens. It has the screen on the front, and it has a small screen on the back. And also, this was made with cardboard, and it runs One UI 8.0 and Android 16 on this phone right here. And when I throw this phone right here, like this, then it won't crack. And this phone is safe. And it has the camera, a dual camera, and it has the AI camera and the flashlight. Let me drop this phone to see if it cracks. I'll drop it in 3, 2, 1. And let's see if it cracked. And the phone didn't still crack. The phone still didn't crack. See? Because this phone was protected by a rock hard thing or something. And this phone is safe, and it won't crack at all. And it's just a flip phone like this. It won't break at all. See? It still won't crack at all. See? And this phone is made out of cardboard. It's made with cardboard, I guess. And this phone is good. So thanks for watching, and bye bye. And I'll see you in the next one.